Daly. I'm the Regional Recruitment Manager for Allied Healthcare. Allied Healthcare are the largest suppliers of domiciliary care in the whole of the UK, with over 140 branches.
In your opinion, what general skills do young people need when starting their first job?
I think a lot of our skills that we require are purely strength-based. I can teach you how to do all of the tasks that are required, but I can't actually teach you to care. So if you have a caring disposition, a good aptitude, a good communication skills to work with people, then we can go ahead and welcome you into our employment.
What qualifications and experience would a young person need to have to increase their chance of getting a job in your industry?
We can train anybody in our role to do the job, so we can offer apprenticeship programs, we can offer level 2, level 3 in QCFs. You can come in with no qualifications, as I said, just an aptitude to want to do the job. We can train you on everything from medication, and you can even use it as a stepping stone to get into any healthcare sector role such as nursing.
What routes are there into a career in your industry?
You can start off anywhere you wish to. We have branch roles, we have carer roles. If you want to have a career within an administration sector, you can come into one of our branches. If you're wanting to come through the route of care worker, you can move to field care supervisor, branch manager, registered manager. The world really is your oyster, and with the expansion of where the healthcare sector is going at the moment, we've had a lot of our care workers use it as stepping stones to get into other sectors that run parallel, such as social work, and as I mentioned, nursing.
Once I have a job in the industry, what would I need to do to progress further?
Have a good aptitude, be honest, trustworthy, reliable, want to do the job, want to make a difference in somebody's life. And through supervisions and one-to-ones, you can actually be identified with the branch manager, and then you can go on leaps and bounds. You can take your career where you wish it to go.
Tell me about your first job.
My first job, I used to work for a school just outside of Brighton. I worked with hearing impaired young people, and I looked after them in a care sector. So I looked after them after they finished their education, and I supported them in developing their social skills. So I learnt to sign, and I also learnt to lip read. So I had a wonderful experience. I was there for about 5.5 years, and that taught me how to communicate, and I really, really enjoyed it.
And is there any other advice you'd like to give?
I think with employment, you put your heart and soul into any job that you do, and you just really, really enjoy the experience. And that's what employment is about, an experience. And not be frightened to actually say, I want to move on with my career, or I'm happy to stay where I am.